Hello and welcome to a quick start guide of your social media software. So hopefully you've logged in successfully and it's brought you to this page. Now if you are looking at a different page, don't panic. It just means your software provider has already connected some pages for you. If you want to connect any extra pages of Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram or Google My Business, you just connect and click on the connections button down here and that will bring you to this page. But hopefully you have nothing connected on your software, so you will start here. The most important thing when you're connecting Facebook, and this is what we're going to be demoing today, is just the Facebook connection. The reason for this, Twitter and LinkedIn is a little bit more long-winded because you need two-factor security on that. So when you do connect Twitter and LinkedIn, it'll send you a code to your phone. So you must make sure you got your phone by you so you can put the code in. But the easiest ones are Facebook, Instagram, and Google My Business because they actually, Facebook and Instagram, use your Facebook account to make the connection. So when you open up the software, make sure you open it up on a computer that you generally use Facebook on. To double check this, open up a tab at the top of your browser, and a second tab, and actually connect to Facebook, and then come back to the screen or to this tab, and that will double check that. The reason for this is that the software uses your Facebook account to find which pages you are admin on. So once you've done that, come back to this here and then click on connect page, and what will happen, the software will connect with your Facebook account and then will display all the pages you are admin on. And as we are the software developers, we are connected to hundreds of pages. You'll probably have a few at the top here, and then all you have to do is click on connect page and it's connected. It's as simple as that. We're going to go a little stage further here just to give you a little example how to do a post. We won't physically do a post because we're actually on somebody else's page here. But at the top of the page, it will say search for content, and there's a little box here. We'll just remove that for a second, so we'll show you how that works. Now, if you click on the box where it says search for content, it'll give you lots of different types of genres of businesses and ideas of content to post. But we generally don't use that. We actually search for the content itself. As you see, we did demonstrate this one earlier. So digital marketing tips I've typed in here, and when you click on search, what will happen is that it'll search Google for anything to do with digital marketing tips and some interesting news items. This helps you find content to post. If we scan down, 8 digital marketing tricks and tips to boost your brand. Now that is an excellent piece of content, so we'll be using that one. You can click on it so you can view it. Just click on there. It will take a few seconds. This is the actual article, so you can just check to make sure it is suitable for your business. So that's the actual thing. Go back to the actual page. Now, in the message and hashtag section, we generally put a tagline in, and we put in the web address, and we put some hashtags in there. This actually is displayed above the picture when you do a post, so you get a picture and the actual link to the article below it. But this content in this box here is displayed above the picture, so anything you put in there will be displayed above the picture. So great tagline, web address, and a few hashtags will win every day of the week. So you just put that in there. So we'll just type in something random. Go down here. You can repeat this post. You can repeat it every whatever you want. 1 day, up to 90 days, up to 100 days. So it just repeats itself. And then you can also set a stop. So if this is an actual post you were doing regarding an offer, you can get it to run every 2 days and then set it to stop in a couple of weeks' time. So that's very, very useful when you're doing promotions and offers. Now you can either post now or you can post later. If you click on post later, that again will open up a little calendar section and you can choose which day you actually want to post and what time. Now, the post to section here, that's highlighted. You can click on that, and that will show you what pages are actually connected to the account at this time. Obviously, we've only got one connected, but once you've connected multiple Facebook pages, Instagram, Twitter, Google My Business, LinkedIn, these will be displayed in this box here, and you can switch these on and off just by clicking the tick button. This will help you if you want to do multiple types of posts to different pages. Generally, rule of thumb is that you just do some great content and post it out across all your platforms. It just gives a unified feel to it. So you make sure all those are ticked, close that, and then you just click on post. We won't actually post because, I say, we wanted somebody else's account. And you click on post, and away it'll go. Or if you've scheduled it for post later, it'll schedule it, and you can view it up here in the queue button. That is it. That is how you post, and this is the quick start video. I hope you enjoyed it, and happy posting.